What are you gonna call the video?
Barn cat.
Okay.
Psst, psst. Meow. I'm not gonna let her in.
Be careful. Okay, good.
Nope, you can't go in the can't go in this part of the house. Psst, psst. Hey, Cool Whip. Hi there. Psst, psst, psst. Cool Whip.
She wants to be by me.
Cool Whip. Psst, psst, psst. Psst, 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 psst.
This is a bone cat, everyone.
Meow. Hey, hey. Aw. Psst, psst. Meow. Meow.
Maybe you should tell the viewers about Colin. Besides her name, because I just said
Psst,
it.
psst, 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 psst.
This is a bone cat, everyone. We're here for vacation and we're by the place our grandma's staying and there are bone cats here. And
Yep.
this is one of them.
Her name is Cool Whip.
She's a good kitty.
Psst, psst, psst.
She's just looking at me.
Psst,
Okay, no.
psst, 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 psst. Yep, but the barn cats are not allowed inside the bed and breakfast.
Yeah. So that's why in the beginning you saw us behind the door. And
Right, Cool Whip?
Yeah, and my sister being careful not to let her in.
Yep. The animals can't go in the bed and breakfast.
But they're allowed in the actual house.
Yep.
And yeah, our grandma's staying at bed and breakfast.
Aww. Such a good kitty. Behold the vicious predator.
Cool Whip.
Destroyer of mice.
And as Stewie would say, Cool Whip. Ow.
Bad Jacob.
I had to reference Family Guy.
You really didn't.
You know I like the show.